Welcome to Earth Vivid. Today we're diving into one of nature's most powerful spectacles, Niagara Falls. Feel the thunderous roar, witness the awe-inspiring beauty, and discover the secrets behind this world-famous wonder. From jaw-dropping views to thrilling adventures, get ready to experience Niagara Falls like never before. Hit that like button and join me as I take on the challenge of exploring every breathtaking viewpoint of Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is located on the border between the United States and Canada, specifically between the state of New York in the US and the province of Ontario in Canada. It's made up of 3 waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, mainly on the Canadian side, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, both on the American side. The area surrounding the falls is a popular tourist destination, known for its stunning views and activities. Niagara Falls, a name that evokes a sense of wonder and awe in people all around the world. One of the most famous natural wonders in the world, Niagara Falls is a sight to behold. Located on the border of the United States and Canada, this magnificent waterfall is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Niagara Falls is more than just a waterfall. It's an experience. It's a chance to connect with nature, to marvel at its sheer scale and beauty, and to create unforgettable memories with family and friends. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of the world around us, Niagara Falls is a must-visit destination. Niagara Falls has been molded by millions of years of geological history. Located on the Niagara Escarpment, a steep slope that runs from the Niagara River to the Bruce Peninsula, Niagara Falls is a natural wonder that was created by the erosion of the escarpment by the Niagara River. Over time, the river carved out the rock, creating the magnificent waterfalls we see today. From its discovery by European settlers to its current status as a popular tourist destination, Niagara Falls has a rich and fascinating history. In the centuries since its discovery, Niagara Falls has been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and musicians, and has even been the subject of daredevil stunts and record-breaking attempts. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that like button and show some love for more breathtaking destinations. As we delve deeper into the history of Niagara Falls, we discover that it's not just a natural wonder, but also a cultural and spiritual site. The falls have been revered by indigenous peoples for centuries and have played an important role in the history and culture of the region. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Niagara Falls became a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all around the world. Today, it's one of the most visited natural wonders in the world, with over 12 million visitors each year. Niagara Falls is an experience unlike any other. As you stand on the edge of the falls, you'll feel the rush of the wind, the roar of the water, and the spray of the mist on your face. You'll see the rainbows that appear in the mist, and feel the sense of awe and wonder that comes from being in the presence of something truly magnificent. As you explore the falls, you'll discover that there's more to Niagara Falls than just the waterfall itself. There are hiking trails, museums, and historic sites to explore, as well as a range of activities, from boat tours to helicopter rides. One of the most iconic experiences at Niagara Falls is the Maid of the Mist boat tour, which takes you up close and personal with the falls. You'll feel the spray of the water on your face and see the falls from a unique perspective. Another popular activity is the Cave of the Winds tour, which takes you down into the Niagara Gorge and onto the hurricane deck, where you'll experience the falls up close and personal. Niagara Falls is also a great destination for nature lovers, with a range of hiking trails, parks, and wildlife reserves to explore. You can hike along the Niagara River, explore the Whirlpool State Park, or visit the Niagara Scenic Trolley. As you plan your visit to Niagara Falls, you might be wondering what to expect. Will it be crowded? Is it suitable for families? Are there any tips and tricks for getting the most out of your visit? The truth is that Niagara Falls can be a bit of a mixed bag. On the one hand, It's an incredible natural wonder that will leave you speechless. On the other hand, it can be very crowded, especially during peak season. And while it's a great destination for families, it's not always the most relaxing or peaceful experience. But despite the crowds and the chaos, Niagara Falls is an experience that's worth it. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of the world around us, Niagara Falls is a must-visit destination. So how does Niagara Falls compare to other natural wonders around the world? Is it the biggest, the most beautiful, or the most unique? The truth is that Niagara Falls is a unique and special place, but it's not the biggest or the most powerful waterfall in the world. That title belongs to Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe, which is over a mile wide and drops over 350 feet into the Zambezi Gorge. But while Niagara Falls may not be the biggest, it's certainly one of the most beautiful and accessible natural wonders in the world. And when it comes to sheer scale and beauty, it's hard to beat. I've been fortunate enough to visit Niagara Falls several times, and each time I'm struck by its beauty and power. From the first time I saw the falls as a kid, I was hooked. I've been back several times since, and each time I've discovered something new and amazing. One of my most memorable experiences at Niagara Falls was taking a helicopter ride over the falls. It was an incredible perspective, and gave me a whole new appreciation for the scale and beauty of the falls. Another highlight was taking a boat tour of the falls at night, when the falls are illuminated. It was truly magical, and gave me a whole new perspective on the falls. Niagara Falls is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves nature, adventure, or just wants to experience something truly unique and special. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just looking for a quick weekend getaway, Niagara Falls is an experience that will leave you speechless. So if you're thinking of visiting Niagara Falls, I say go for it. It's an experience you'll never forget, and one that will leave you feeling inspired, awed, and maybe even a little bit changed. Thanks for watching. Have you ever been to Niagara Falls? When would you choose to go? What experience would you look forward to the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to our Earth Vivid family for more travel videos and adventures. Take care, friends.